LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts. Notice, the repair process is different for every laptop model. At LaptopInventory.com, we have created a database with thousands of free laptop repair videos. Simply go to LaptopInventory.com. Select your laptop brand, series and model, and find the exact repair video for your laptop. Turn the laptop over. Remove the laptop battery. We will now install your new battery. That's all. You just installed your battery. LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts.